Good morning mga ka-realtor, another house, another day. So, step for pre-qualify your client for bank or pag-ibig financing. Number one, know your client basic information. Age, civil status, employment type, local or OFW, employment or self-employed, monthly income and other source of income, existing loan or may utang. Number two, determine client capacity to pay. Ask for proof of income, payslip, COA, ITR, job contract, or OFWs. Compute estimated loanable amount based on income and age. Use online loan calculators, pag-ibig, or bank provided or monthly amortization. Number three, check credit standing. Ask client if they have any unpaid loans or negative records. Advise them to check their CIC, Credit Information Corporation record. Banks or pag-ibig will reject application with bad credit history. Number four, assess employment or business stability. For a locally employed, at least 2 years of continuous work is ideal. For OFW, at least 2 years abroad with a valid contract. For the self-employed or business, should be operating for at least 2 years with proper documentation. Number five, ensure complete basic requirements are ready. Valid IDs, marriage certificate if married, birth certificate if single, proof of billing, certificate of employment, compensation, job contract, payslip or proof of remittance at least 3 months. ITR for self-employed, pag-ibig, MDR, and contribution for pag-ibig financing. Number 6, discuss financing option and terms. Explains the difference between bank and pag-ibig terms. Discuss interest rate, loan term, and monthly amortization. Match the best option based on their needs and qualifications. Number 7, advice on pre-approval process. For bank, fill out the loan application form and submit documents. For pag-ibig, undergo pre-qualification by submitting requirements for the nearest branch of via virtual pag-ibig. This is Albert, the licensed real estate salesperson. Good morning and God bless. Don't forget to like, share, and follow para updated ka sa mga next steps or mga next educational and real estate tips ko. Thank you. Follow me.